could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But you're they loving the crew. Oh, they loving the crew. Oh, they loving the crew. They loving the crew.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So this video is sponsored by Luvme Hair, and they sent me this pre-everything wig. So this wig was pre-bleach, it was pre-plucked, it was pre-cut, and it was pre-curled. Who does not love a pre-everything wig? Okay, but before we jump into the installation of the wig and how I got it to look like this, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. Inside the package, they sent me some stocking cap, their hair care guide, their wig labeler, their Luvme hair head scarf, and I think this is some bonnet. Okay, so for this wig, I did not do anything much this wig. The only thing that I did was to layer it, and I added some rollers to the front part of it when I finished layering it, just because after layering it the curls kind of went away a little bit. So I went in and added some rollers just to bring back the curls, but for the most part I really did not need to do anything to this wig. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me, yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie, what a lie, what a lie, what a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Okay, so far I can already tell that the front part will definitely sit on my head properly, but for the sides it definitely needs some adjusting. So I'm just adjusting that right now, but it's not a lot. I just have to cut off a little bit, but I also want to make sure I don't cut off too much, because then that's where we're going to have problems. I think it is okay right now. I'm not sure, but it will definitely just have to work. So for this install, I'm going to be taking it off tomorrow, so I am only going to be using some hairspray to do this install. Honestly, if the sides weren't like giving problems, I definitely could have just left it like that, but I have to at least spray down the sides for sure.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
I'm just not doing what I want.
just some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
I'm just not doing what I want.
just some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need muscle, fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better.
Guys, it's definitely giving the vibe that I'm going for. I want it to kind of almost look like I'm not trying to do anything to it, like kind of messy. I want to go in though and pluck like right here just a little bit more, because I feel like it needs to be plucked a little bit more. And I'm trying to be very careful with the plucking just because it's not like glued down. It's pretty much like just sprayed, even though the spray is really strong.
Please don't like him, he don't wife him, he one item. I never listen, no, I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The link to the wig will be down in the description box, so if you guys would love to purchase it, definitely check down below. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.